Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my 13th lesson of D3 chapter number 7, exercise 7a, that is about the graphs of functions. In this lesson we'll be discussing question number 13 advanced level. As the questions are long, so I'll be reading the question from the book. Question 13 says, using the scale 2 centimeter to represent 1 unit on x-axis, 2 centimeters to represent 1 unit on x-axis, 1 unit for x-axis, and 1 centimeter equals to 1 unit on y-axis, 1 centimeter equals to 1 unit on y-axis. What we have to do, we have to draw the graph of y equals to x square by 4 plus 8 by x minus 9 for x lies between 0.5 and 7, and then use your graph to find the minimum value of y in the given range. And then the next is, by drawing the suitable straight lines on the graph, solve each of the following equations and giving your answer correct to 1 decimal places. We'll be talking about part B later. First of all, I hope my students are very clear that before drawing the graph, first of all, we have to complete the table values. So it's a time to go for the completion of table values, and let me confirm my equation once again. Y equals to x square by 4 plus 8 by x minus 9. So one by one replace the values of x in the given equation and see what is the value of y coming for that time. X square by 4 plus 8 by x minus 9. So these are really easy question, and this table, completion of table, can give you 2 to 3 marks easily, so be careful. The first value of x is 0.5. So what we have to do, I have to insert the value 0.5 square by 4 plus 8 over 0.5 minus 9. Now what I have to do, I have to take the square of 0.5 multiplied by 0.5. This gives me 0.25 divided by 4. This is 0.0625 plus 8 over 0.5. That will be giving me 16 plus 16 minus 9. Now 16 minus 9 will give me 7 plus 0.0625, and this is 7.0625. And what does the book say? That we have to minimum value of y in the given range, and what decimal places, or 1 dp. So 7.06 can be taken as approximately 7.1. So this is 7.1. Now the second value of x is that we have to replace x by 1. So it will take the form 1 square is 1, so it will be 1 by 4 plus 8 over 1, this will be 8, and minus 9. Okay, now 1 by 4 is 0.25, 1 divided by 4 is 0.25, and this will give me 8.25 minus 9. 8.25 minus 9, and take minus 9. 8.25 minus 9, and this gives me minus 0.75 minus 0.75. okay, 0.75, which will be approximately minus 0.8. And the third is that I have to replace x by 2, and the equation will take the form 2 square by 4 plus 8 by 2 minus 9. Okay, and then what we have to do, 2 square is 4, 4 by 4 is 1, this is 1, this is 8 by 2 is 4 minus 9. And now 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 minus 9, and it gives me minus 4. Okay, and then the next unknown value of y Okay, y equals to x square by 4 means 3 square by 4 plus 8 by 3 minus 9. 3 square is 9. 9 by 4, 9 divided by 4, this gives me 2.25. 8 by 3, 8 divided by 3, 2.66 minus 9, 2.25 plus 2.66 and minus 9, and this gives me minus 4.09 or approximately minus 4.1, minus 4.1. And let me draw the line here so that my students can see all working clearly and they're not going to mix the concept. And then the next value of x is 4. The given function is y equals to x square by 4 plus 8 over x minus 9, and this is value of x is 4. So 4, when I will be inserting 4 here, it will take the form 4 square by 4 plus 8 by 4, 8 by 4 minus 9. 4 square is 16, 16 by 4 is 4, and this is 2 minus 9. Okay, let me recheck it. 16 divided by 4 is 4, 8 divided by 4 is 2, minus 9, 6 minus 9 is minus 3, minus 3. Okay, minus 3, and the next value is y equals to x square by 4 plus 8 over x, and then minus 9, and then what I have to do, I have to replace x by 5, 5 square by 4 plus 8 by 5 minus 9. 5 square is 25, 25 by 4 is 6.25 plus 8 divided by 5, 1.6 and minus 9. Then 6.25 plus 1.6, 6.25, and then plus 1.6 minus 9. This gives me 6 and 1, 7. Okay, and that is smaller than 9, minus 1.15 and approximately minus 1.2, minus 1.2. And then the next value of x is y equals to 6 square by 4 plus 8 by 6 minus 9, minus 9. 6 square is 36. When I'm dividing 36 by 4, I will get 9, and 8 divided by 6 gives me 1.33, 1.33 and minus 9. Now this 9 goes with this 9 and I will left with 1.33, and I will take approximately 1.3, and then for the last value, that is y equals to 7, it will become 7 square, 49 by 4, and then plus 8 by 7 minus 9, 49 divided by 4, 49 divided by 4 gives me 12.25, 49 by 4, 12 4s are 48. Okay, and 8 divided by 7, 8 divided by 7 gives me 1.14 minus 9. Now what we have to do, 12.25 plus 1.14 and minus 9, and this gives me 4.39, 4.39, which can be approximately taken as 4.4. Now the task 1 is complete, that we have completed the table values and we have completed the values of y for the given values of x, and the next part says that we have to draw the graph of this. So first of all, let's try to understand that for x-axis, 20 small blocks are equal to 1, and one small block has a value 1 by 20, 1 by 20, and this is 1 divided by 20 comes 0.05. 0.05. Now first of all we have to reach at 0.5, so that 0.5 comes right in between x, okay, 0 and 1, and for 0.5 y value is 7.1. so 7.1 scale for y axis is that 1 centimeter equals to 1 unit. So one small block has the value 0.1. so the first point will be coming at this place. First point will be coming at this place. For 1, this is minus 0.8, 0.8, this is 1, minus 1 and 9, and this is 0.8. This is the second point. Then for 2, this is minus 4, so minus 4, minus 4, minus 4 will be coming at this place. Okay, for 3, this is minus 4.1. For 3, this is 4.1. For 3, this is minus 4.1. For 4, this is again going up. 4, 1, 2 and 3, this is minus 3. For 5, this is minus 1.2, this is minus 1, and this is minus 1.2. and then for 6 it's 1.3. For 6 I have to go up 1, 1, 2 and 3. Let me read it clearly. 1, 2 and 3 small blocks. For 7 it's 4.4. For 7 it is 4.4. so first reach in front of 4. This is the position for 4, and this is 4.4. okay, now it's a time to join all of the points with the help of the smooth curve. And the question says to draw the graph, so let me join all of the points with the help of the smooth curve. Okay, in the beginning we will be using slide pencil, so if we need to remove this work, there has to be no impact of the pencil work, and there has to be no tracing effects. Okay, and afterwards what we have to do, we have to join all of the points with the help of the permanent pen, because in your O-level examination your papers will be marked through scanner, and the pencil work will not be scanned through scanner. So I hope we are getting a really good curve. Okay, not bad at all. Okay, now it's a time to read the question as well. Question says that use your graph to find the minimum value in the given range. Minimum value in the given range. If we look at this portion, the graph is going down, and I hope, and even if we look at the table, minus 4.1 is the place where the graph is taking the minimum value. Okay, so the minimum value, let me mark what part is this. Keep my book here and let me mark the part number as well. That minimum value is, this is A part. Y minimum is approximately minus 4.1. and then before discussing the next parts, let me make my curve perfect, okay, with the help of the bold pen, so that my students can see it clearly. Okay, so move your hand slightly. There has to be no fluctuations and no shaking, because if your hand will be shaking and there will be the fluctuations in your curve, you will not be getting exact values, and there will be the error in your calculation and the graph values that you will be getting in the later part. Although in your O-level examination the examiner gives you some space and he gives you the range of marks, and he accepts your answer in that range, but your answer should not be too large and too small that it's not coming in that range, otherwise the whole effort will be wasted. Okay, I hope we are getting the good curve, and it's the time to discuss next parts carefully. By drawing the suitable lines to the graph, solve each of the following equation, giving your answer correct to one decimal place. This is again one of the important parts of your O-level examination. This is B, part 1. By drawing the suitable line, x square by 4 plus 8 by x equals to 6. Recall my previous lesson. I told you that in all such situations, what we have to do, we have to compare this equation with the given equation, x square by 4 plus 8 by x equals to 6. Now look, this portion is similar to this given equation, but the given equation has minus 9 as well. So what we will be doing in order to get the suitable curve, I will be subtracting 9 on both sides, or I will be adding minus 9, x square by 4 plus 8 by x minus 9 equals to 6 minus 9. Now this portion is similar to the original curve, which is y, and y equals to minus 3. Now it means that in order to get the solution for B part 1, I have to draw y equals to minus 3. So this is the place for y equals to minus 3. So let me draw the line at this place, y equals to minus 3. This is y equals to minus 3, and now you can see that the curve is meeting and the line is meeting at the curve at two places, and one of the place is right in between 1 and 2. This is x is 0.5, x is 0.5, and the other place where this line is cutting is approximately 4.1. Let me join this part with okay, and this over here. You can see that I'm going really slow because these are really important parts of your O-level examination, and they are coming in your exams as well, so you have to watch and understand. So for y is equal to minus 3, x equals to 1.5, x equals to 1.5, or after 4 we are having this is two blocks, so one small block has the value 0.5, so 0.05 multiplied by 2 plus 4, that is 4.1. I hope you are clear about this part. And the next part says x square by 4, second part is x square by 4 and then plus 8 by x equals to x plus 4. Again, what we have to do, we have to compare this part of your equation with the original equation, or the equation which is given in the question. X square by 4 plus 8 by x is same, but it's deficient of minus 9. So what we will be doing, x square by 4 plus 8 by x minus 9 equals to x plus 4 minus 9. Now this will be y equals to x minus 5. So it means that in order to get the solution for this part, we have to draw a linear line, y equals to x minus 5. So I hope students you are clear about how to draw the graph of the non-vertical lines y is equal to mx plus c from the coordinate geometry and the linear inequalities. I will not be going for the table values, I will be going for the intercepts. When x is 0, y comes minus 5, 0 with minus 5, and when y is 0, when I am replacing y 0 here, x will be going to that side 5, and this is 0. So it means in order to get the solution for this situation, I have to mark first 2 points on my graph. This is 0 with minus 5, 0 with minus 5, and this is 5 with 0, 5 with 0, 5 with 0. And now what we have to do, we have to draw the line that has to pass through these 2 points carefully, okay, and then we have to see that at what point this line and the curve are meeting with each other. So this is let me keep the ruler properly, otherwise I will have the slight error in my working. This is the line, this is the line. Okay, now look, Now look carefully. This line is meeting the curve at this place and at this place. So let me first make my line perfect so that my students can see it clearly. Y equals to x minus 5 equals to x minus 5. You can see this topic is involving so many other topics. So in order to have the good idea of this concept, you should have the good understanding of the previous concepts as well. This is y is equal to x minus 5, and now see that this line is cutting meeting at this place, and now I have to read the graph value on this side as well. This is approximately okay, let me see. This place is really clear that this is 6, but for this one I have to read the graph carefully, that after 1 this is 1.5 and 1 2 3 blocks after. So total blocks are 13 multiplied by 0.05 will give me 0.75. This is 1.75. So the two values are x equals to 6 and 1.75. I hope you are clear about this part. And the last part says that we have to draw first the line, that is x square by 4 plus 2x equals to 15 minus 8 over x. Okay, first of all we have to bring our equation in the original equation form, and if we look at the original equation we can see that this 8 over x is not on this side, so shift it to other side. X square by 4 plus 8 over x equals to 15 minus 2x, and now what we have to do, we need minus 9 as well, so add minus 9 to both sides. 8 over x plus 15 equals to 15 minus 2x minus 9. 15 minus 9 will give me 6. 15 minus 9 will give me 6 minus 2x minus 9 over here as well. So x square by 4 plus 8x minus 9 equals to 6 minus 2x. Now compare this equation, 8 over x, let me correct it, 8 over x, and this again is 8 over x because I'm shifting 8 over x to other side, and this whole is equal to y equals to 6 minus 2x. Okay students, let me explain this part once again to my students. X square by 4 and 8 over x is similar, so shift 8 over x, this is 8 over x, and then we need minus 9, so I am adding minus 9 to both sides, and now this part is similar to the original equation, and on this side I will have 15 minus 9, 6 minus 2x. Now I have to plot another straight line on this graph, that is 6 minus 2x, and recall what we will be doing, that will be finding the intercepts for this line. When I'm making x 0, when x is 0, y value becomes 6. So one of the point will be x 0 and y 6, 0 with 6, and the other point when I'm making my y 0 here, y 0 means that what we are doing here, that minus 6 equals to minus 2x and x equals to 3, so 3 with 0, these are the 2 points that I'm marking for the second line. So A is 0 with 6, so the point will be coming at this place, and this is the second line, A 0 with 6, and B is 3 with 0, x is 3, this is B 3 with 0. So first of all let me draw the line with the help of pencil, and then I'll be making my line perfect. Okay, I have to draw the line, yes, Now see children, that this line is cutting the already drawn graph at this place, which is almost the position of 0.5, and on the other side this line is cutting the graph at this place. Okay, this one, and this is how many blocks after 4, how many blocks after 4. This is approximately 4 blocks after 4. So first of all, let me make my line perfect, and this time I'll be making this line little bold so that my students can see this clearly. And this is one of the most important concepts of your O-level examination, and please watch and understand this lesson carefully before your O-level examination. And this is y equals to 6 minus 2x, 6 minus 2x, and now we have to decide that at what point the line is cutting or meeting our already drawn curve. One position is this, this is the position for 0.5, so x equals to 0.5, because that is coming right in between 0 and 1, 0.5. And on the other side, let me draw the line, dotted line, dotted. Okay, 4, and after 4, 1, 2 and 3 blocks. So if one tiny block has a value 0.025 multiplied by 3.075, 4.07 or 4.1, x equals to approximately 4.1. I hope students, this was a really important lesson, and this will be giving you help and base for many other questions for your O-level examinations. Please, you have to watch and understand this lesson carefully, and please do not miss the next class. In the next class we are again going to discuss some really important points about the graph drawing, and we'll be winding up this exercise as well. Please watch my lessons, like, share and subscribe the channel, and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.